this is Nayella. Thank you for joining me again today. So I'm not really going to speak much in this video. I just want to show you really how we can quieten the mind down by sort of leaving all technology behind, because normally when I'm out walking, when I'm with the dog, and obviously my daughter's in the background singing if you can hear her, we like to just take in everything, you know, just take in everything that's going on around us. So I will have my phone with me just purely to take photos, because I like taking photos, and generally I don't do videos while I'm out, because as I said, I just like to enjoy what's going on. So I'm just going to take a few minutes now just to keep everything quiet as much as I can. Obviously my daughter is singing in the background, but just so you can hear nature, you know, the birds singing, the gentle lap of the waves, and just take it in. You know, if you're having a very stressful time right now, if you're somebody who's got a lot going on, just take these few minutes just to unwind, just to take some breaths, you know, just you're lucky because I'm smelling seaweed here. But just take some nice deep breaths, and just let the day wash over you, or that stress just wash away just for the next few minutes. So I hope that has helped you just to de-stress and just to relax and get yourself in a nice peaceful place again. Sometimes that's all we need. You know, meditation is a lot more than just sitting with your legs crossed for hours on end. Sometimes it's just about getting out into nature, just so you can come back into the now and be very present and be very aware of what's going on right now. Because that seems to be the issue with many of us living in such a fast-paced life, you know, with so much going on, and we have to spread ourselves out in so many different directions. Nature is so healing. The water is so healing. It's there for us. It's free. It's beautiful. And it helps us to get back to a place of peace and a place of calm. So please use nature to your advantage. You know, it's there for us. It's there for us for a reason. It's a beautiful gift for us. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that with you today. I'm wishing you all the very, very best. I'm sending you all my love, and I hope to see you again very, very soon. Goodbye for now.